Here's Jeff. I'm Robbie. We partied real hard.
We did.
For New Year's.
We did. That was fun.
Yeah, it's a good time.
From what I remember.
Yeah. We don't want to go any further than that. That's all we need to talk about. Anyway, Jeff, how are we going to get over this hangover?
You know, I was thinking we need to get a little hair of the dog in us and get something that'll stick to the gut. And so I'm thinking Bloody Mary.
Nice.
Yeah.
So let's make that a special Bloody Mary with some basil rum. The Basil Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
Step one to this is rum. So
Rum,
you
yeah.
want to do the honors?
I would love to. Using our basil here. How much are we putting in here?
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
All right. Tell
Let's
me
do
when.
2 ounces in each glass.
All right.
And then, you know, if you feel like doing one, there you go. Okay.
Holy cow, that was a big one, huh?
That's how you do it right there.
So you asked for them.
Definitely need more in yours. There it is.
There it is. All right.
All right, so we got our basil rum. Next, some Bloody Mary mix.
Bloody Mary mix.
You make your own Bloody Mary mix. We're using Zing Zang.
Yeah, that'll work.
It's a good one. Got our Bloody Mary mix in there.
Okay.
Just give this a quick stir.
Yeah. Here's that for you.
Yeah. I'm gonna do some dashes of Worcestershire sauce on this thing. Love the Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah, it gives a little savory note.
Savory note, yeah, that's for sure. The whole drink is savory, and the
It's
basil,
very savory.
basil keeps it bright.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it with the basil. I usually just use silver
Silver rum.
rum. Yeah.
Yeah, some people use vodka, but ugh, that's
Yeah.
gross.
Yeah, we're not heathens.
Yeah. All right, let's garnish these things.
All right. Shoo, load it down.
Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
That looks like that's breakfast right there.
Now let's stick another piece of bacon in there.
Yeah, we got the extra bacon. Why not? This is not vegetarian friendly. Unless is this real bacon?
Yeah, it's real bacon.
Okay.
It's
It's cooked.
I think.
Yeah, be good.
Anyway, this is our Basil Bloody Mary. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below along with social media links and our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube Muddy River Mixology channel. We're always here at the Distillery if you want to come out and buy some liquor. You can also find us in your local liquor store. And we do tours every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Good luck with your New Year's resolutions and cheers.
Cheers, friend.
Cheers, friend.
To a good new year.
And we're live.
And we're live.
Don't mind not.
I like the hair, dude.
It's doing the standing, so it's farther away from the camera. All right, we'll come over. Hello and welcome to another